In this video, I'm going to show you how to add draw.io to Confluence. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to click on Apps over here, top left, and then click on Explore Apps. And then this is going to take you inside basically Confluence's kind of the marketplace. There we go. And here you want to look for draw.io. So I'm going to type in the draw, but for me, of course, as you can see, it's on top over here already. I'm going to click on draw.io diagrams. And then on here, you can see there's going to be a button which says try for free or try it free. I'm going to click on try it free. And then after that happens, you're going to have to basically select one of your sites. I'm just going to go ahead and click on standard, and I'm going to click on review. And then here you can just basically go down to the very bottom and click on start free trial. Now, once that happens, it's going to basically start loading for a bit. And then once that's loaded, basically it's going to get added inside your workspaces and you'll be able to go ahead and use it. Now, the way you're going to be using it, I'm going to show you in a few seconds over here when this loads up. And basically you just have to go ahead inside one of your boxes over here. I'm going to refresh this so everything hopefully is in here already. And then the way you use it is you can just click anywhere over here, do a slash, and then type in draw. Now, as you can see right now for me, it's not done yet because this has not yet loaded. Usually it can take up a few minutes. So in case you've just added this and it's not actually added in already and you can't actually use it yet, what you can do is just wait a few minutes and then go back and then you'll be able to do it. Okay, so if I go over here, again, open up a random tutorial. Let's see if it's loaded now. There we go. You want to click in here, and then you can go ahead and try the basically slash draw. So slash draw. Now there we go. It's now in here. Okay, so you can either embed this, you can basically use the diagram or use the board. So I'm going to click on draw. And what that's going to do is it's going to, as you can see, open up draw.io. And in here, you can go ahead and do things, okay? So you can either import something or create something yourself. I'm going to just create a blank diagram, click create. And then you can basically do whatever you want, click on publish, and then it's going to get added in. So you can see I'm going to just create a random kind of an object over here, and I'm going to click on publish. And it's going to start saving. And then once that's saved, you'll see, there we go, the diagram is being added in here inside my workspace. So that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.